All right, so here is the new copy of the Estates, or NEUE HEIMAT. So it comes with this slip sleeve. So here are the checks or capital cards. These are the checks, the money. These are the different, oh, look at that, there's a hole in it. Different buildings that you would have with your different values on there for when you're building your city. Green. Here are your roofs. Your markers for if you're going to cancel out a block, it looks like. You cancel. And if you're going to extend or reduce your building area, worker zones, looks like the mayor. More of the buildings. And so we got 2 bags here for drawing the out of rulebook. There. And then the board. And that's what comes in the box.